Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr. Moorthy, working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So this is a lecture series of engineering drawing. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a topic called section of solids. So far, in the previous videos, we have discussed about what is engineering drawing, what is the importance of engineering drawing, and what is the first angle projection, third angle projection, and what is front view, top view. So we have discussed different various basics topics related to engineering drawing, and in this section in this class we are going to discuss about a section of solid. In the already we have discussed about a projection of solid. So in that projection of solid, we have projected a solid into a three-dimensional way, and we have drawn front view, top view based on the given conditions with respect to horizontal plane and vertical plane. And so here we are going to discuss about a section of solids. First, the section of what is the use of section of solid means, if you want to know the interior property of a particular object, and we should know how to visualize the interior property or inner properties. So for that case, we have to use the section of solids. So section of solid means we are using a section plane or cutting plane to cut the shape with respect to axis or base, whether it is a parallel to base or inclined to base or perpendicular to axis or inclined to axis. So depending on the given conditions, we are making the section, and we are visualizing or knowing the what are the interior inner properties of the given solid or solid under our requirement. So for that case, the section of solid is playing the major role. And here the cutting plane and base, we have some basic terms called cutting plane and section plane. So and the cutting plane is the imaginary plane used to cut the object with respect to axis or basis, and a section surface produced with a section plane cut solid, and a sectional view after cutting, or we are making the section, and we are visualizing the views called section view, and the true shape and apparent shape. When the section plane is projected, is parallel, it's a parallel plane, the exact exposed shape is called a true shape, and the apparent shape is when the section plane is inclined to the projection plane, the resulting shape is termed as the apparent shape. And the type of section plane, as we have discussed, different we parallel to VP, perpendicular to HP, perpendicular to VP, inclined to VP, or inclined to VP, parallel to VP, HP, perpendicular to HP, and perpendicular to VP. So we have the different conditions. So based on that, we are making the section, and for that, so here it is the prism, where it's a rectangular prism. The condition is the base with a 40 into 25 millimeter with a height of 60 millimeter, a section plane perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, cut prism into two equal half. So here the condition is we are using a section plane with the condition of perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Similarly, here we have another one for a cube. The condition is the plane perpendicular to VP, inclined 30 degree to HP, meets axis 25 millimeter above base. And so here we are having a section plane is perpendicular to VP and 30 degree inclined to HP. So that is the condition with the cube. In the previous, we are using the prism or rectangular prism. So here it is a cube. All sides are equal and with the height of 30 millimeter. And the next one is the pyramid. So similar to prism and cube, here we have pyramid. In the pyramid, here it's a hexagonal pyramid where the top view is hexagonal shape, and whereas the front view is in the triangle form. And the condition is the cutting plane is uh, 30 degree to HP. So 30 degree to HP. So and a 20 millimeter from the vertex. So we the height of the pyramid is 55, and the cutting plane cuts the axis 20 millimeter from the vertex and with an angle of 30 degree. So that is the condition. The next one is the cone, where the top view is circle and the front view is triangle, where the condition here is the plane 40 degree to HP, that is the cutting plane is 40 degree to HP, and it passes through the axis where 20 millimeter from the vertex. So similarly, we have a different conditions, and based on the axis or base, and it cuts the top view with respect to the given condition, and we are finding the cutting sectional top view and as well as true shape of section based on the given conditions.